Hey, Kai, where do you want to go?
To wash.
The wash?
Yeah.
For what?
To make a wall.
To what?
To make a wall.
All right, we're on our way to the hood wash. Let's go get it.
Dad, let's go street ride. Dad,
Okay.
I want us to wash.
Where?
The wash.
Man, you guys really want to go to the wash. Okay, let me say goodbye to Sparkle real quick because he's flipping out. And then we'll go in 1 second. We were riding away and Sparkle kept barking. It's okay, dude. You're okay. You got all these people. You got your crew here. You got your crew. This is Sparkle the Lab. Go check him out. He has a pretty cool story. Sparkle the Lab. Hey, you're all right. You got Garfield, our little homie. Hey, homie. You got Hood Cat. What's up, girl? Sparkle the Lab. Hilo the brown dog. Good boy. Relax. You relax, okay? You relax. You be good. You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. Stay. Good boy, stay. Alright, we're gonna go on a bike ride. What are you doing?
I'm saying goodbye too.
Getting out the door is hard with this crew. You know, but someone's gotta do it. Gotta make sure everything's locked, gotta make sure everyone's happy. Are you serious?
He doesn't want me to go. Okay, now let's go.
For more on the Adventure Kids, follow them. Adventure Kids. .tv on Instagram and Adventure Kids on YouTube. Alright, can you get your helmet on? Can we, go now? I have to make sure this guy doesn't hear me before I leave because he flips out. No one else cares. Hey, hoodie. Hey, homie.
Dad, let's go street ride. Yeah, go to the wash.
Okay, let's go. Let's do it. Metal guy. Hood Watch 2018, we out here. Day after Christmas, you know the deal? Go hit the streets and see what's changed, see what we're gonna do next. See how it stops. Good. No. See what the deal is. Okay. There's cars coming, so we have to wait, see? Tell me when you see the cars.
See one.
Where's the other one at?
Not coming.
Oh, it turned into the, look at it.
Go quick to the wash. They're mean. They're gonna wait for us.
Yeah, they don't care. Cars, more cars, tons of cars. Okay.
Ready?
Oh, there's another car coming. See it? All right, let's get it. Let's get it before later becomes never did it. Another car coming. Watch where you're going.
The turtles, Dad.
Where?
They're in there.
Let's see.
Oh, he's moving. Hi.
Kai, they're all out. Look. All the big guys.
He's moving. Dad, today I'm in a rush.
What's that?
Today I'm in a rush.
Why?
Because
So are they. They're hungry.
Dad, they're old.
How old?
Very old. You ready?
Yeah.
I'm on.
Okay, wait for me now, okay? I'm leading.
Dad, I wish I had one. Just one.
Me too, actually.
I wish I had a pet cat. I wish I had a pet cat. And I would name of a Ninja Turtle name. And I would put a bandana on him.
I kind of want one too. Here,
That would
I gotta
be
pass.
easier to get. And then once I get it, I'll put a bandana and Bandana? Actually, you should do blue because it's your favorite color. And if I get 4, name all of them, you put bandanas on them.
Watch out for the compartment, people.
And
Splinter.
what animal's the bad guy?
Shredder, I think, is a human.
Oh. Yeah.
Yeah.
And if I get a bad guy and I tell him good, then I'm gonna name him Shredder.
What?
If I get a bad guy and a bad guy's human and tell him good, I'm gonna name him Shredder.
Okay. So you're gonna get a bad guy and turn him good. Sounds good? It's a good idea, actually. Maybe we should all do that. Find a bad guy and make him good. Hit your brakes. Yeah.
This is where you're running, and the other one where you're bike ride.
There's no rules on this side because there's no lines. Remember, the other side you have to stay on one side.
Oh, there's no rule on this one.
None of the rules are posted on this road, but come on, man.
That's so weird. Dad,
Yeah.
and I wish I had a pet dog that's clean.
You have to get it when it's a baby. Michelangelo.
Where's his nunchucks?
In his shell.
I see him.
He's so big.
Yeah, who's that? Right there.
Where?
That one.
I don't see one.
That one over there.
Oh. Donatello. What about the one over there? Behind him?
Oh, who's that?
Leonardo.
And who's this one?
Raphael. Oh, there's one there? Where? Oh, what? Oh, he's not real. All right, let's go.
What would he be if he was real?
Raphael.
How is it a rat?
Look at, there they go. Look, there they go. Kyle, look up.
Yeah.
Look up.
Whoa.
Dude, he's so big. That's some good eating right there. That'd be some good eating.
What?
That would be, look how big he is, dude. Where's he going?
Where is he? Where? Looks like an eagle from here. It looks like an eagle from here.
He's a big beast. Wow.
An eagle! An eagle! Big eagle!
They're coming back. They're gonna land right by us. They're just playing. They're just stretching their wings. Wonder where they're going. Is it coming back? Are they? It'd be so cool if they landed back over here again. Right now, after watching them this whole time.
Oh, yeah. So tired.
Where do you want to go?
Back home.
Okay, so do you want to go this way or do you want to go back the way we came? Good job, champ. It's alright. It's a big hill. No big deal. It's a big hill. You're doing good. Yeah. No thanks. Go walk close to him without chasing him. Don't chase him.
There's a duck. There's more ducks.
Okay, there you go.
You mean geese? That's a lot of geese. And ducks. Yeah. Well, I know my ton of geese.
You can have a candy now, Kai.
There's geese and I don't have any more.
Where's your M&M's?
I ate them all.
When?
When you said you can have a candy on the way out.
You ate all of your M&M's?
Yeah.
A candy means one M&M.
Oh.
A bag of candy is a different story. I didn't know that. Is that what you were doing the whole time?
No, I just opened my brand new bag and
So you didn't ask me yet then?
you said, you were like, okay, when we get over here, we can stop, and then you can open it. And when you said, let's go, quick. And then they all spill out when I was riding.
Can you hit your brakes the whole way down this hill, Kai?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't care, don't worry about that. Good job, Kai. Yeah, of course, sorry. Hit the gas. Go fast. Come on, guys. Yeah? Huh? What? You know them? Just stay there, stay there, stay there, stay there, stay there. Stop moving. Stop moving. Stop moving. What? Oh, wow. What is it called? Really? Wow. Go, Kai. I don't know. With these hands on it. This way, this way, this way. When we get to the ducks. Look at this bike, guys. Pass, SK, pass. What's up, man? That's dope. Stay close to me. Stay close to me. Don't stay close to me. Stay close to me. Good job. It's a perfect drag racing strip for you guys. Here, I want to see something. Come this line here. Come here, Kai. You're so fast that I have an idea. Come here, Kai. Yeah. Okay, line them up right here. Okay, turn around now. Turn around. Line them up. Oh, there's a homeless guy coming. On your mark. Get set. Go. Kai won. Take it off the road. We'll go look. Hey, how's it going? We can look around. This is where you want to be. We don't have to keep riding. So this is why Sparkle wants to come here. Because he wants to see all these guys. See, that's their home. Look. See it? Well, they're hiding from you now.
Why?
They think you're a predator. Or a squirrel?
Yeah.
Okay, so now, since you guys had your first round, Kai's won, SK0, we're going to do a roll race. So that was from the stop. Kai's faster than you. That was my whole point. I knew how fast Kai is from the start. Let's go. Okay, so let me show you guys how to do a roll race, since Kai's the champ at the starts. A roll race, we're just cruising. So can you guys roll next to me? This is the speed of starting. Start speed now. This is a roll race. You guys have to be even. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is you guys stay this speed. Don't go faster. Stay next to each other. The most important part is you guys are in an even line right now, right? Okay. So when I say go, the guy to get to me wins. Okay. But don't start yet. On your mark. Get set. Go. Okay, Kai, so you got little legs, right? We understand. No biggie. Your legs are so little that how could you possibly... Look at this big bike. It's like Silas. You want to race me now?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm not going to race anymore.
Okay, you did really good, Kai.
I'll never race you.
The gear, the part that you were at, is where you were the strongest. That speed. So, it was like...
You boys didn't say you're almost faster than me. Remember you said
From
that?
us... You?
Uh-huh.
Okay, so let's see here.
But whenever I race, you win.
You'll catch me soon, trust me. You'll catch me.
Let go.
No, I'm not ready yet. Yeah? What's that? No, you know you asked me for sugar all day long. All right, hi. SK and I are gonna race. Should I write your what? Why? You won't. You won't. Yeah. On your mark.
Wait, it's not there.
Well, you're not on your mark. Good boy.
There. Almost ready. Go, I'm ready.
On your mark. Kai, try to catch us, okay?
No. On your mark.
We don't want to get too far from you. On your mark.
Nobody's so tired.
Get set. Go.
Oh, we're a woodpecker, Dad.
I won.
I will beat you, Dad. Already going slow?
Nope, full throttle. Yeah.
Feel it.
Kai doesn't like us being that far away from him. Right? Okay, we'll stay with you.
Don't need that wind to happen. I think the wind stop is a little taken.
So you be ready. You gotta be ready.
Stand by that.
Just like when you watch the homie John Hicks videos. He's always riding around the hood. People be trying to take his backpack, ganking his car, right? You guys see all his videos? We watch it. He's riding through Compton, LBC, Inglewood, Skid Row daily. Dude, there is homeless here. What, so you were scared, Kai? What were you scared about? The gap? We were too far away? Alright, we won't leave you that far away. Got some cardio in there, huh?
No more racing.
No more racing? Okay, yeah. So far you and Silas are 1-1, and I got 1. Look at Sparko. Look at that family ride. That's cool.
But that could get a short tail. They think that's his brother or sister.
Cousin? That could be his cousin.
Her cousin can't look the same.
So, one-handed up, sitting down on the hood cruiser. Beach cruiser. The beach cruiser. And I was pedaling as fast as I could, and Silas was right next to me. I had him by like a half a front wheel. 26-inch wheel. 24? 26. 26. So next time he'll get me, guaranteed. Yeah? Okay. And then you want a candy after that?
Yeah.
Or do you want a candy after we get up to this bridge? Okay, stand up and pedal hard. Pedal hard. Big hill. Pedal hard. Yeah. Pedal, pedal, pedal. Get up there. Good job, Tim.
Dude, you can have
Let
some
me go.
mine.
Or not.
Hey, Dad. Can I spit up a candy and have a Slurpee?
Once we get off the street.
Okay.
Not a Slurpee. Would you say Slurpee? How did we get a Slurpee? No. I can't. We'll see you on the other side. Go. Come on.
Dad,
Look, pay attention. No talking. Get close to me.
is it something?
Pay attention. No talking. Stay close to me. A car can pull out right here anytime. We're not supposed to be here. It's against the rules. No, not right now.
Why?
Hey, how's it going? We should learn how tennis works. Now you can tell me something, Kai. Yes.
Is the bike something to eat?
Something to eat and something else. But no more questions about that part, okay?
Dad,
Huh.
have some of that water.
Of course. Look, let's go over here. Let's look at what's it. What's our location? Like what's going on here?
Oh, there's a drinking fountain there.
There you go.
With a dog.
Yeah, let's check out our location.
Yeah, there's two
Okay,
puppies.
get some water. I'm gonna just cruise. We should learn how to do this. Look at that's not even tennis. What's that game? Is that tennis? What is that called? Is this tennis? No, it's something else. What game is this?
And two puppies.
I saw that. What's this game? It's not tennis. The ball's hard.
I know that game.
What's
I
it
like
called?
that.
What's it called? Hey, what's that game called? What is it? Pickleball. Pickleball. Okay. 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 Pickleball. I've never seen pickleball. Pickleball. Hey, buddies. The doggy dog world. Yeah. And that's tennis. Hey, dude.
And did you see the two puppy dogs?
I did.
Look at that, what are you? 9.
9?
Did I say 9?
Are you 9, Neske? Okay, look, we're in the road. No talking. Look it.
8.
Stay close to me. We're not supposed to be here. So anything can happen. Be ready. Danger, danger. Wait, we need to get on the sidewalk. Are you allowed to ride on the sidewalk? What's the law? Who knows? How do you maintain 2 kids on the streets? Just like this. Keep watching. Look it, we're in the freeway. We're in the freeway. They could run us over. It's not our fault. It's not their fault. It just happens. You gotta be careful. It's dangerous out here. Is that Genesis? Yeah. Genesis. All bark, no bite. You know how it is. We all know how it is. What? What? Yeah? Yeah? Oh. Just out here with the adventure kids. Little street ride. It's pretty fun. We're having a good time. They thought we were filming them, but I was filming us. What's up, man? It looks like I'm filming them, but I'm not. Damn, check out my grades. I've been riding these bike streets for too long. I think I was 9, 10 when I went on my first hood ride on Charles Street. That's right.
9 or 10?
That's probably 9 or 10.
You learned how to ride a bike?
No, when I learned how to like ride on the street, it's different. I learned how to ride a bike when I was probably 5 or 6.
Yeah, I don't know how to ride on the street yet.
You're like the best. You're like so alert and aware, and you know all the rules already. Kai doesn't though. He's still learning. But I'm confident that you can get to school safely. I probably wouldn't even worry that much about you. But one time, how funny is that? We were right here, and it was time for us to go. The hand dropped. Remember that? The hand dropped. I told you to go. It was your turn, and you went in the middle. And remember right here? He went right here. Except right here, his turn. Hand said go, and the guy like full throttle, whoop, slammed on his brakes and almost killed him. People don't see you, so you need to be alert. And you need to take precautions. You need to wear lights on your bike, even though we don't. We should. They have bikes on their. He has a bike on his freestyle bike. His street bike. We're just shaking down the race bike because we're about to go racing tomorrow. Huh? Yeah, well that bike doesn't get lights. We have lights for your fat boy. Huh?
What the?
What?
There's flowers on your bike.
Well, it's mommy's bike. I ride a 20,
There's
Mommy's
nice little
beach cruiser.
flowers on your bike.
and I don't take it off. I don't care. I'm not embarrassed. I'm not worried about it. It makes mommy happy. Girly.
Hey, where'd it go?
All right, look at green, green, green.
Where did it go, Dad?
Green, green, green.